Amazon, how a small online bookstore took over the world. Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Let me ask you a question. How often do you use Amazon? Once a week? Once a day? Or maybe every single day? Most people think Amazon is just an online store, but Amazon is not a store. Amazon is a technology company, a logistics empire, a data machine, and one of the most powerful businesses in the world. Today, I will tell you how Amazon started, why it almost failed, how it really makes money, and why Amazon controls the future. This is not just a business story. This is the story of a modern empire. Chapter 1. How Amazon started. Amazon started in 1994. Its founder was Jeff Bezos. At that time, the internet was new. People did not trust online shopping. Jeff Bezos had a good job on Wall Street, good salary, good future. But he saw one important thing. The internet was growing extremely fast. He asked himself, what product can I sell online that people will always need? The answer was books. Books were perfect. Millions of titles, easy to store, easy to ship, always in demand. Amazon was small, very small. Jeff Bezos packed books himself. He worked long hours. He used doors as desks. No one imagined what Amazon would become. Chapter 2. Amazon almost failed. For many years, Amazon did not make profit. Investors were worried. The media said Amazon would fail. Jeff Bezos did something risky. He reinvested everything back into the company. No luxury, no comfort, only growth. In 2000, the dot-com bubble crashed. Thousands of internet companies disappeared. Amazon survived because it thought long-term. Jeff Bezos believed, if we focus on customers, money will come later. That decision changed everything. Chapter 3. Amazon is not a store. Most people think Amazon sells products, but Amazon is actually a platform. More than half of all products on Amazon are sold by other sellers. Amazon makes money from seller fees, delivery services, advertising, subscriptions, cloud technology. Amazon lets others take the risk. Amazon takes the profit. That is very smart. Chapter 4. Amazon Prime Psychology. Amazon Prime is not just free shipping. It is psychology. When people pay yearly, they shop more. They think less. They leave Amazon less. Prime members spend much more money. Amazon doesn't chase customers. Amazon keeps them. Chapter 5. Amazon controls delivery. Amazon built its own delivery system. Warehouses, planes, trucks, robots. This gave Amazon speed. Speed is power. When you click Buy Now, Amazon already knows how to deliver it fast and cheap. This is not retail. This is control. Chapter 6. The real money. Cloud services. Amazon's biggest profit does not come from shopping. It comes from cloud technology. Many famous companies use Amazon servers. Amazon sells storage, computing power, data services. This hidden business makes billions. That is why Amazon can sell products so cheaply. Chapter 7. Data is everything. Amazon knows what you search, what you buy, what you almost buy. This data helps Amazon predict trends, control prices, create its own products. Amazon does not guess. Amazon knows. Chapter 8. Amazon and competition. When a product sells well on Amazon, Amazon sees it. Sometimes Amazon creates its own version, cheaper, more visible, Better positioned. Is it fair? That's a question. Is it effective? Yes. Chapter 9. Working at Amazon. Amazon has very high standards. Employees work fast, pressure is high, goals are strict. Jeff Bezos believes high standards create great results. This culture built a giant company. Chapter 10. What Amazon teaches us. Amazon teaches us 1. Think long-term. 2. Focus on customers. 3. Reinvest profits. 4. Use data. 5. Control systems. Amazon did not win by luck. It won by strategy. Amazon's future. Amazon is moving into artificial intelligence, healthcare automation space technology. Amazon is not finished. It is just beginning. If you understand Amazon, you understand modern business. See you next video.